Hello friends, welcome to Learn Before. This is your one day, one step series. So let me ask you then how this, have you wondered how this function is really working or what is this really going on in the back end or in the system level? In this series, we are going to learn about input and output in Python. Before going through, let's see what is the need for this topic. So this is your ideally shell, right? So normally we are going to add a two number. What we will do, we will take a plus 2, right? So we can add, which is 24. Further, we can upgrade our code with 12 and b is equal to 12, 12, and we are printing it a plus b, which is again 24. So this is what we call static programming. Like we can't change the values at the running time. If you want to change anything on the running time, so you need to learn this dynamic program, which is nothing but after the source code is executed, we can change the values. Okay. If you want to change the values in the static program, you have to change at the coding time. Okay. So how it works? So simply I'm typing a name is equal to input, which is a function, which is a built-in function in Python. So we are going to enter name, right? So we're going to print it, like executing it. Now I can print whatever I want, right? So let's say Rahul, and I want to print, like show what's the value of this name. Print hello name. So hello Rahul, right? So if you want to text, let's check, let's save it on text file. Yes, overwrite it. So I'm writing name is equal to input, enter name. All right. So I'm going to print the name. Name is name. So now I'm going to run it. So here I have an option, right? I can enter whatever I want. It's not like I'm didn't define it in the previous, like while coding. So I can make it as Kumar, right? So it will show this. This is what dynamic program is, like user interaction and printing to the users. So let's go back to our PPT. So this is input and output in Python. Before going into the topic, please subscribe to my video and like and click the bell icon. Thank you. So let's watch like continue this. So what does this input and output really means? Like we are using this, the print function is used for output in various formats, and the input function enables interaction with users. Nothing but print, which shows something, right? Input, which gets something from the user. That's it. Okay. So we are having this print, and whatever you write inside that function, it will show up. Like, see, I'm using this word function. It's same as that math thing. Like if you are having, wait, if you are having f of x and is equal to x square, right? Here I can have any values. According to this, this value is calculated, right? Same thing over here. This is a function in math, and this is in function in Python. You can write whatever you want, and it will shows up in the terminal. Okay. So if you want an input, we will use this input keyword like function. Okay. It's not a keyword, it's a function. Okay. So we are just displaying what like information what you need to enter. So this is what input and output. This is how we are going to implement it. You can write something and you can print, or you can side print, right? For the printing one. So now, so let me ask you then how this, like, have you wondered how this function is really working, or what is this really going on in the back end or in the system level? So what really is do? Like, you are writing the code over here. You are writing the code, right? So what we are going, we are using the interpreter to compile it. This is it. Compilation is different. Compiler is different. Interpreter is different. Interpretation is different. Okay. So using this Python interpreter, we are executing the file. Normally using this Python virtual machine PVM. Okay. So what happens? We are having this terminal, which is denoted as T. So what happens? It will write the information to a file, which is like system dot write. We will use this function in the further videos, right? Okay. So what it does, it will write whatever you are need to print, right? So it will write to that file, like we will write. So that thing will shows up here, this thing, right? So now we need an input, right? So the system will wait for the input. So now whatever you're writing over here and pressing the enter, it will again transfer to this file and it will return over there. And that return thing is again transferred to the PVM. Okay, PVM for further operations. And if you want to show it, and it will again reads it and it will write to the file and it will again display in the terminal. If you want to read something, it will send right into the file. Like it is what is going on over here, which is basically writing and reading the file. That's it. Okay. So that's it for this video. So next video will be on compilation and interpretation. Before just passing the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and like this channel and this video. Thank you.